unbiased coin is tossed 3 times. So, this time 3 times natin tinos. Okay, so we're going to find the probability that the coin will land heads 3 times. So, ilan daw ang possibility na makakuha tayo ng 3 head? And then for number 2, what is the probability that the coin lands head on the first and last toss? So, head sa unahan at head sa dulo. Okay, first, let's answer this using a tree diagram. So, ilang beses natin ito toss? 3 beses. Sa unang toss, what are the possible outcome? Head, tail. Sa pangalawang toss, automatic head, tail pa rin. Sa pangatlong toss, head, tail pa rin. Meaning, pwede mo isulat ng ganito. So, 3 beses tinos, 3 beses mo din isusulat. So, dahil dito, 4 na yung lumabas, so meaning, 4 na beses mo rin isusulat yung head and tail. So, after that, what we're going to do? So, find the possible outcome na. So, pag nagawa na natin, anak, yung tree diagram, so, kunin na natin yung mga possible outcome. Turo natin isa-isa. So, this will become head, head, head. This is the first outcome. The second one is head, head, tail. The third one is head, tail, head. Head, tail, tail. Tail, head, head. Tail, head, tail. Tail, tail, head. And tail, tail, tail. So, after nakuha na natin lahat ng possible outcomes, our next step is to find the number of sample space. Okay, bakit naging 8 yan? Bibilangin mo lang, anak, ito. So, ilan po ba ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is number of sample space. So, pag nakuha na natin, anak, si number of sample space, our next step is find the number of favorable outcome. O yung tinatawag natin na N of E. Okay, saan makukuha yun? Dito po sa given. Sa number 1, ang sabi, what is the probability that the coin will land heads 3 times? Meron ba tayong 3 head na lumabas? At ilan po yun? Isa. So therefore, N of E is 1. Okay, now, to find the probability of a combined event, let's use this formula pa rin. N of E over N of S. So ilan ang N of E natin? 1 over N of S. So therefore, the answer is 1 over 8. And that is the answer na po for number 1. And 1 over 8 is equal to 0.125 thousandths and is equal to 12.5%. Now, for number 2, what is the probability that the coin lands head on the first and last toss? Okay, tingnan ulit natin to, anak. Head sa first, last sa head. Meaning, yung gitna, wala tayong pakialam kung ano yun. Basta ang pinag-uusapan, head yung first, head din po yung last. Okay, ito po ba ay head, head? Meaning included to. Okay, ano pa to? Head and head. So, meaning kahit ito tail, okay lang. Mahalaga pinag-uusapan natin ay yung first and last. So, same pa rin, anak, yung number of sample space ay 8. Ang magiging N of E natin ay anong number na po? Very good, 2. Now, what do you think will be the probability? 2 over 8. And 2 over 8, naka-lowest term na ba yan? No pa. What is the simplest form of 2 over 8? 1 over 4. Because 2 and 8 are both divisible by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, 1 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. And what is the equivalent of 1/4 in decimal? Very good, 0.25. In percent? 25%. So therefore, this is the answer for number 2. Kailangan, anak, laging naka-simplest form, ha?